In this video, I'll show you how to log into Udemy with a password. Logging into Udemy with a password is useful when your account was created with an email address instead of a social login like Google, Apple, or Facebook. First, open your browser and go to the Udemy website, or open the Udemy mobile app on your phone. On the home page, click or tap Login. Next, enter the email address connected to your Udemy account. Make sure you use the same email you used when signing up or buying your courses. After that, enter your password in the password field. Check that there are no typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect capital letters. Passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. Once your email and password are entered, click Login. If the details are correct, Meta Udemy will take you to your account where you can access your courses, learning history, wish list, and account settings. If your password does not work, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your Udemy email address, then check your inbox for a password reset message. If you do not see it, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Open the reset email, follow the link, and create a new password. After saving it, return to Udemy and log in again using your email address and new password. If you originally created your Udemy account using Google, Apple, or Facebook, you may need to use that same sign-in option instead of logging in with a password. For extra security, avoid using a shared computer when possible, and always log out if you are using someone else's device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, or subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.